Hello guys, welcome back to this video, and in this video, we're going to be learning how to make FNAF AI in Clickteam Fusion. Alright, so here's what you're going to need. A let's move counter, or move who counter. You're going to need an AI counter to determine the AI number for your AI, and cameras, obviously. Now here's what you're going to want to do. First off, you need a camera system that shows when you click on the camera, it shows what you want, and if this AI thing, the AI active, is hovering over it, it should show the animatronic on the camera. If it's not on it, it shouldn't show it. Now, here's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to compare two values. Random 21. Random 20 plus 1. This is the correct value. Then the value of your AI counter. And then you're going to want to insert another thing, every. Then you're going to want to enter your value of every movement. Now you can find the value movements of every, just when the odds are determined, how many every seconds, when are the odds to move. Now for Bonnie, this is 497, and for Chica it's 98, but we're going to do 97. And you're going to want to do every 1 second, change our turbo value. Set to random 1 to how many cameras you want it to move. For example, we need this because, for example, a Bonnie can move from the show stage to the dining area or the back room. Well, this is determined by this. Now, here's what you're going to want to do. Oh, this is a different thing. We need to... Never mind, that was never mind, I accidentally messed that up by accidentally clicking delete. Then, you're going to want to see if, when this runs true, you're going to let's move to the value that your character is. Now, for Bonnie it's 1, for Chica it's 2, for Freddy it's 3, or something like that. And these runs. You can change this by using the no turbo value instead of a counter. Now, if let's move equals 1, and you're going to want to insert this overlapping 1C. Now these cameras I just copied from another app. Then you're gonna want to set this position zero, but relative to whatever camera you want it to move. And this is, then I forgot something. We need to add our turbo values. That's if this equals 1. Now let's copy this. If this equals 2, then you're gonna edit this to whatever camera you want it to be at. Now you're gonna copy this for every single movement. And that's about it, I think. There's nothing more. Unless, let me check. Yes, it turns out I have forgot something. The first thing it should do, instead of setting to position, should be setting the let's move counter to 0 to not make multiple movements for one movement check. And then you're also going to want to add your audio, which I don't have one right now, but you can do by setting samples and play sample. And that's about it. And I do not know how to make attacks, because that's different for every single game. But, yes, this is about it. This is the exact FNAF AI in your FNAF fan game, and that's about it. And thanks for watching.